As we have seen what is stagnation pressure, density and temperature, we'll apply those formulas in solving real life problems on stagnation pressure density, which is applicable for an aircraft which is traveling at a very high velocity. So we have a problem over here which states that calculate the stagnation pressure, temperature, density at the stagnation point on the nose of the airplane which is flying at 800 kilometers per hour. So that velocity is given to us through a still air having a pressure of 8.0 Newton per centimeter square. That is the absolute pressure. We don't have to add atmospheric pressure to that. And the temperature is given to us as minus 10 degrees Celsius. We have to take the value of R is 287 and gamma is equals to 1.4. So let us calculate this. So over here in the problem, what is given to us, that is the velocity v1. Then what is given to us, that is the pressure P1, the temperature T1 and all the other constant terms. So let us calculate, let us and write down the data. So data which is given to us, that is P1 is equals to 8.0 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per meter square. Temperature T1 is minus 10 degrees Celsius, which comes out to be 263 Kelvin. And the velocity of the aircraft which is given to us, V1 is given to us as 800 kilometers per hour. So let us substitute that value, that is 800 kilometers per hour. So that will be into 5 by 18. So this will give us the velocity V1 as 222.22 meters per second. That will be the velocity in meter per second, the temperature and the pressure. The other constants which is given is gamma, that is 1.4, and value of universal gas constant, that is 287.14 joule per kg Kelvin. So let us use this formula. First, to calculate Mach number, we need V1 upon C1. We have the value of V1, we have to calculate the value of C1. C1 is given as square root of gamma into R into T1. So let us substitute this. So C1 is equals to gamma has a value of 1.4, R has a value of 287.17 and T has a value of 263. So C1 will be equals to 325.05 meters per second. That is the value of C1, that is the velocity of sound in air. Let us calculate the Mach number, that is velocity of the fluid upon velocity of the sound. So M1 is equals to V1 upon C1. So that comes out to be as 222.22 upon 325.07. The Mach number is 0.638. It is less than 1 but it is greater than 0.6, hence the flow is a subsonic flow. Now let us calculate what is stagnation pressure. We know that stagnation pressure is given by the formula PS is equals to P1 into 1 plus M1 square by 2G into gamma minus 1 raised to gamma upon gamma minus 1. So let us substitute, we have all the things in this equation. Let us substitute the values of individual variable. So the value of P1 is given to us as 8 into 10 to power 4 into 1 plus the Mach number is 0.638 the whole square upon 2 into 9.81 into 1.4 minus 1 raised to 1.4 upon 1.4 minus 1. So on calculation of this, we'll get the stagnation pressure as PS is equals to 10.93 into 10 to power 4 Newton per meter square. That is the stagnation pressure. Now, to calculate stagnation temperature, we need to substitute all the things in stagnation temperature. The formula of stagnation temperature, we know that as Ts is equals to T1 into 1 plus m1 square by 2g into gamma minus 1 raised to 1 raised to this entire part will be 1 since the power is 1. So if you substitute the value over here, this will be equals to, this is 268 into 1 plus 0.683 the whole square upon 2 into 9.81 into 1.4 minus 1. So the temperature at the stagnation point comes out to be as Ts is equals to 287.5 degrees Celsius. So this is stagnation temperature. We have calculated stagnation pressure. Now let us calculate what is stagnation density. Now we know that stagnation density rho s will be equals to Ps upon R into Ts. So we already have value of Ps as equals to 10.93 into 10 to power 4 upon 287.14 into stagnation temperature is 287.5. So on calculation of this, the stagnation density comes out to be as 1.32 kg per meter cube. So we have calculated what is stagnation pressure, stagnation temperature and stagnation density including the Mach number. Thank you.